Hello everybody, Steve here, and today we got another master lock from our master lock collection. This is a little master lock and it is a 40 millimeter. You can see that on the bottom there. There it is. Gonna have to, and it is, here's the keyway. Nice little black plastic housing on it. And here's the keys. So as you can tell, the little 4-pin master lock. So what we're, and the keys do work. Okay. Get that all locked up. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so we are going to use, for this one, I'm going to use the wiper blade insert tension wrench in the top of the keyway. And then I will be using a Jimmy Long's medium hook with the flat tip. There we go. So I'll give it just a little bit of tension. It doesn't take much, not much with these ones. I'll go back to the back and I'll get to pin number 4. It should be pin number 4. Nice click there. Number 3. Sounds like I got the click. Pin 2. Nice click there. And now pin 1. I think I got pin 1. So somebody's holding me up. A nice click there. Let's go back through. Pin 3. Nothing on that one. So somebody's being stubborn. I've noticed that with this lock. Sometimes these pins feel like they're stuck and they don't want to move. Now I just felt the core move the whole time, so I definitely messed something up there. So let's try this again. You can see it, the core moving with a little bit of tension against that spring. So this one should be pin 4. Okay, come on. One, 2, 3, 4. So it feels like all the pins are moving right. Give a little bit of tension. Try it again. That should be 4. And this feels like 2. And 1. You're not behaving. Okay, that should be okay. Okay, let's check it all just to make sure that feels like 3. Maybe I'm oversetting something. It doesn't feel quite right. Sorry if I get quiet every once in a while. Start kind of trying to concentrate and then I notice I'm starting to mumble as I'm trying to work through it and get frustrated with locks that are camera shy or not cooperating right. Normally this lock is just a simple 4, 3, 2, 1 and it opens. Let's try that again. Get up closer. Okay, let's see. Should be regular. I don't know why I'm getting so much movement on this core. I don't think it has any kind of security pins in there. I don't remember it having any. Say pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the round tip. Okay, let's go again. Not supposed to take more than a couple minutes on this one. And 4, especially since I know I just opened it just seconds ago. Well, not seconds, minutes I guess I could say. There should be 1, 2, I'm getting quick. Okay, there we go. Finally. That was really weird. I don't know what was going on with that thing. That was just being very stubborn. But we did finally get it in the end after 6 minutes, which is 6 minutes too long. But you can see sometimes, even just a simple lock like this that doesn't seem like it's going to take much, and sometimes, most of the time, no problem, just works just fine. But sometimes it gets a little buggy and tricky, but in the end we did get it finally. So there we have it. That is the Master Lock 40mm. Very stubborn one, but anyway, we did get it. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave some comments below, give a thumbs up, like, and definitely subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. Even when we struggle, we learn. So something simple like that you can struggle with. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.